Yeah, it's a delight to welcome you once again to Heroic Universal Concept International. This is Heroic Online Computer Institute, where creativity and innovation is our goal. So today I will be looking into the front-end web project of one of my students, okay, Sage by name. Actually has done that before, and I made little corrections to it, and then he perfected the corrections and sent it back to me. Okay, so that's what I'm about to shake now. So that this is the website. Okay, actually, Sage, the website you did quite amazing. Website looks great. Okay, you tried your best to replicate to a very good extent what I did. Okay, and I must commend you. It's great. Then this one, I think you're able to take the corrections. All the pictures are now equal. Okay, and you're able to give a different color here, which looks better. Okay, I think I love it. I love it. You come here, wonderful. You're able to actually, these boxes are looking great too. They're looking very professional. Okay, and the button looks exactly like my own. Okay, even this one, just everything here just quite on point. Okay, quite on point. There's something you might consider doing here, even though it is not in my own, but if you have the time, you can do it. Try to see if you can give little space between this heading and the content. You get me? Maybe you can just, if this is, I don't know if this is H2 or H3, whichever header it is. If you say H2, just target footer H2, can give it a bottom margin, little bottom margin, so it will space this a little bit. Okay, so that is it. Then coming to this about us, this one looks quite great too. Quite great, perfect. Okay, this one, this is where there's a problem. If you see these boxes are not equal. If you watch this particular box, let's go to the home page. You see, if you watch these boxes, do you see they are all equal in size? But watch this one. Watch this one. You see that they are not. So you have to check the what you did. Maybe you should check flex basis, whether you added flex basis to it. Okay, then you also check your flex glow, grow and shrink. Flex, glow and shrink. Check all these ones. Just check what I actually did in my video. Okay, to get it perfect. Okay, to make the sizes to be equal. Okay, this size is supposed to be a bit larger than this, so that there won't be a big space here. Do you see there we have bigger spaces here, do you get me? There shouldn't be. Okay, and the boxes are not equal. Do you get that? So you have to try to make it equal. So check exactly what I did in my video. Do exactly that. You get all these box sizes to be equal. Okay, that's it. And one more thing, you removed something. You remove a div here. Check, let me show you what I mean. There's supposed to be a demarcation here. For this one will be sidebar, this one will now be the main body. You will remove it in this particular page, this particular product page. If you go to about us, do you see that? So there's a good demarcation from here to a bit. In product page, you see it is removed. So check that div. Check what you remove there and add it back. Okay, then here blog. Okay, we are still going to work on blog as we move on in the project. Okay, I think it's perfect. Then the contact, perfect. Now let me check the what do you call it, the media query. Okay, let me check the responsiveness. Okay, I'll click on this. Okay, maybe go to home page. All right, let me drag it. Wonderful. It's very smooth. This is amazing. I like it. So if you click on this now, wow, nice, you got it right. Okay, then we'll move down. Oh, perfect, you got it. This is good. You got it. You got it. This is perfect. It's just perfect. Okay. There's one more thing I want to. Even though I didn't do that particular one in my own, but for your own, maybe for the next website you are going to create, try to add, when you are working on responsiveness, when it comes to, maybe when you get to this particular site, maybe 400 thereabout, okay, try to consider reducing, or even in fact when you get to 600, okay, but it depends on the kind of website you are working on, but always try to reduce the margin, the left and the right margin, okay, the left and right margin. When you get to this, maybe somewhere 600, 500, 400, you reduce the left and right margin to about, let's say 20 pixels, so that the margin will start, this space will be from here to somewhere here. Do you understand? So that if, let's say, you drag it like this, sorry, so if it's more like this one, this, you will have enough margin, so this will not shrink to this level, okay, to just start from here. The margin will have a good space from here to here. But it is nice the way it is. At least the phone, whatever phone that is searching this, will just end like this. The size of the phone, the width of the phone will just 390 is good for the width of phone. So if you are scrolling through a phone like this and you're seeing the product like this, I think it's okay. But in some situation, like if you're working on some websites, you might not want the product to just be one like this. You might want it to be 2 products in one row, or even 3 products in one row. So you see that when you're working on the responsiveness, you have to reduce the margin of this even to 10 pixels, so that we have just a little margin from here to somewhere here. So you have enough space for the 2 products in one row, or the 3 products in one row. You understand? Then you can now reduce the size of this, reduce the font size of this one as well, so that the product will align in one row. But once we get to the product, will align maybe 2 products in one row. You get me? When we get to e-commerce system, we're going to talk about it. You see how you can do that, okay? But I think your job is perfect. It's good. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. It's looking so professional. I love it. Just great. Just great. You did a good job. You did a wonderful job here. Okay. Okay, let's go to this one. Is also okay. You just understand what I said about the margin, in case if you want to give it more margin, a little more margin. That means to reduce the margin to allow it to flush, you can do that, but it's just perfect. I tell you, you nailed it. You nailed it. Just beautiful. See, you got it here. So you see, you have just little more things to do and you are okay. Okay, just perfect it, but you don't have to send this again to me. I think this one can serve for me. Okay, but what you have to do now is that you have to sit back and check what the website you want to build for yourself. Out of the list of websites you told me you want to build, think of the one you can start now, the one that you think is the most important to you. Okay, then you start building it. Okay, start building it, because that is what you're going to use for your front end competition. You're not going to use this particular one for your front end competition. You're going to use the one you build for yourself from the scratch. Try to make it look very wonderful, very beautiful, very attractive. Use your favorite color. Try to have your blank color, your business color. If you, at least you've seen my business color, almost everything I do, I use that particular color. Okay, so you have to, my business color is actually wine red. You get me? It's wine red. So most of the things I do revolve around that. Okay, and I see you already have your logo. It's commendable. Okay, so have your business color. Use your business color to create your website. Make the website look wonderful. Make it look extremely attractive. Okay, and prepare it for the front end project. I will later give you guys further direction on how to do the project and how to win. Okay, so thank you so much. You did a good job. Congratulations.